Since time immemorial, European manufacturers have produced high-quality doors that carry, improve, or define one's interior design. We at Almes Doors are known for our tradition of elegant ideas, peerless craftsmanship, and relentless innovation, such as soundless magnetic locks, Italian-made 3D adjustable concealed hinges, the rubber seal with the automatic bottom sweep, and more. Look, using our extensive catalog and helpful state-of-the-art online tools, you, our customer, get to pick the door model that suits your taste, select the configuration, and place your order, all of it in mere minutes, with helpful tips at every stage. Should you have any questions, just pick up the phone, and our experts will be happy to assist you. Hey, we've got your back. The production and shipping process is set in motion the moment you press the Complete Order button. Our logistics experts will quickly and precisely calculate and select the best delivery option for your order. Your doors will be delivered to your home on time and hassle-free. Our customers and our reputation are highly important to us. Craftsmanship, elegance, innovation. At almesdoors.com, we've got it all.